Hi. What up, fam, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Deb, and y'all already know Jazz recording.
The game is finally over.
Yeah.
So now we're about to get to work.
So y'all already know what time it is. Or at least I would hope you would from the spread. But if you can't figure it out, you're gonna see soon.
Y'all have to excuse the light, but this isn't really a step-by-step video because we got this from somebody else. We actually got this from Q, so we will link. She has a whole shindig. So we're gonna make sure to link her video down in the bottom because we pretty much have already skipped to the basics.
Because it's pretty much like your typical oven baked recipe. So if you've ever made oven baked anything, this is pretty much like the same steps. But if you haven't, go check out Q's video.
Really easy. We have already cut our scallops in half, butterflied our shrimp basically.
Big facts.
And we already got our whole setup, y'all. So we are just pretty much lightly seasoning our seafood.
Oh, I was finna stop because
and I guess we'll show you guys a couple so y'all can at least see the process.
Well, fam, flour first. Shake off your excess. Egg wash. Then from the egg wash, breadcrumbs. Now make sure you season your breadcrumbs and your flour and your eggs.
Just a little.
Let's see, now that I done showed y'all one, I can kind of go in. Shake off excess flour.
That one needs some more. That one, yes. He was naked. Look, like he wet.
Well, fam, shrimp done. Now, on to the scallops. So we've got our scallops done, fam, and just got the king crab left. All right, now, fam, we have done breading all till we have done. All right, now, fam, we are done breading all of our vegetables, and all right, now, fam, we are done breading all of our seafood. Now we are gonna bread some okra. Oh, let me do this right. Now we're gonna bread some okra and asparagus. So stay tuned. How much we don't need to stinking know how much or bottle according to Q. Got all the seafood. Got some okra. Got some asparagus coming along. So now, fam, we finna turn this grease on medium-high heat and let's get it done. Well, Aiden snuck on up in here and she whipping up the dame sauce. Yeah. You gonna speak?
I thought I did.
Oh, okay.
What up, fam?
And then you back again.
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Jess. And I just opened it. Hot sriracha.
With your mouth.
Yep. How y'all doing today, fam?
Well, I fried a piece of asparagus, so. Ooh, babe. I just want you to tell me you love me on my birthday.
Hot. Hot. Hot.
Oh, yeah.
Feels good.
Now let's get back to this cooking, fam. Now that we got our grease nice and high, we finna start dropping everything in. Now, keep in mind, seafood does not take long to cook, especially on high temperatures. First batch is out of here. We're just waiting on batch 2. Gonna put y'all down again, fam. I come back to Bay, cause Bay is whipping up this dang sauce.
Oh, I slapped you, fam.
So rude, Bay.
Sorry, gotta get them, whip them thumbs.
So you ready, babe?
Yep. Nope. I'm scared my stomach gonna be hurting.
Birthday from me to you.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday.
Right.
We got no cake.
Some feast.
Right. Vegetables. They don't know what vegetable. Do y'all
Damn.
not eat?
What are those?
No, I'm talking about what vegetable do y'all not eat?
The vegetables adapt with the meal. You can't have grilled vegetables.
King crab look like fish sticks. Whew. Fried, lied, and day to the side.
Yep.
Footsteps.
I've been thinking I've been hearing stuff all night. No lie.
Probably.
I've been in here going back and forth, back and forth.
somebody until your birthday, your daddy or something.
Both of them.
All right, fam. That's how we get down. What we get down? Cause now it's time to get down.
So,
what is wrong with this? Until the next video.